Ask from them, louder.
According to you, how should I select my ambition?
Don't select your ambition. Which class is yours now? 8. Don't. Just finish 8th class learning 100%. Go to 9th class. Do that. 10th class. Do that. 11th also take science. Why science? From science you can branch out to any other subject. If you take commerce, you can never become physics student. You can never learn maths. Never learn biology in life. But 11th and 12th you learn maths, physics, biology. You can learn commerce, economics, any subject afterwards in your life. Correct? So therefore 11th and 12th, best students who don't want to branch out at that time, up to 12th class is actually primary education. I don't call 7th class, 8th class primary education. Up to 12th class, learn all the subjects possible. Geography, history, all that can be learned. I know geography and history 100%, but you know, if I would have taken history or geography in my BA, I will not be able to say I know physics very good. I will not be able to say I know maths. I will not be able to say I know biology well, right? So study science as long as possible. Then think about what you want to become. By the time you become 12th class, there will be a lot of options. Whatever you study is not important. More important is where are you going to study. You are studying MBBS, study in All India Institute of Medical Sciences. Nowhere else. Don't go to China and then study. 20 lakhs rupees you can get an MBBS. No. Don't go to one of the medical colleges. The other day I went to one of the best schools and I asked one student, 12th class student, which college you want to go? Raja Medical College. I said, Raja Medical College? Why? Because my father studied there. Your father, grandfather studied there, therefore I want to study there. That time there was no aims. By the time you pass, there will be all the Institute of Medical Sciences here. Do you want to keep your ambition going to Raja Medical College? Your aims is 1 kilometer away from your house. So change your aim, nothing wrong. Now one of the best BTech course which you can do today, not in India, in the whole world, the best BTech, not even IITs. Naval Academy, Indian Naval Academy, Edmala, Payyanur. The best BTech, only if you want to join Navy. But if you want to join Navy, that is the best one. BTech, Indian Institute of Space Technology, if you want to join ISRO. But I cannot tell this 10 years back. 5 years back, I cannot tell this Navy never started a BTech. But today, that is the best. So after 5 years, you may have. Got it? So you must go for such programs which are very good institutes. So if you are going for medical, go to such places. If you are going for Navy, go to Indian Academy, Naval Academy. Last week I was there in the campus. Or if you are going for BTech, general subjects, go to IITs. So you must decide what you want to do. After that, graduation, you decide whether you want to branch out into economics. You can go to medicine, later you can do research in physics. You can go to electronics, you can change it into some other subjects. You can do chemistry, you can become a mathematician. There is a physics professor who has become a biology center director. Because all these subjects becomes one when you get into highest specialization. Got it? So don't decide your career now. This is not the right time. Learn as much as possible. But try to aspire for the highest position. Maybe you will become a BTech or MBBS, but job is necessary. That's only studies. So which job is the best? What is the best job? In India, the best job is civil service. And there are few civil service students who come to me as per service students. But their aim is not civil service. They want to become politicians. There are people who get trained for IAS, but their aim is to become a politician. That's also fine. You become a politician with all the knowledge about India, you become a good politician. Got it? So aim can be to become a politician. Aim can be to become a administrator, politician or judiciary. There are three pillars which rules the country. Anything can be. Okay? Yeah. Question is, as a scientist, have I invented something? Don't think that scientists invent a lot of things. We do small innovations. The difference between invention and innovation, small changes which helps realizing something. I have done few research in which three-dimensional things can be seen from two-dimensional pictures. That was my invention. You can take two pictures and see things three-dimensional. From satellite, I used to show things on the ground. That was one of my inventions. Okay. There are many small things which we do. Some pictures are, my research is on pictures, images. My specialization is image processing. You know that Rajiv Gandhi got bomb blast martyr, right? So that time the person who blasted the bomb with the picture was not clear. I am the person who identified the picture and mentioned this is the person. So the policing was my job. Right? We do image processing. A blast which the picture is not very clear, we process it to make it very clear. That's what we do. Okay? Yeah. Two more questions last. Yeah. Run and come. Both boys. Run and come. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. I will make you to run 2 rounds. You are not running, both of you. Yeah.
Sir, you have opted to job problem creating creative students rather than creating machines. Is there a business mentality behind it? That means if you work alone, you might be ending up with one innovation. But rather than if you create thousands of creative students, it may be resulting in the overall economic development of India.
Yeah, I want to make a lot of money. That's why.
No, in the economic development of India, that means the 1,000 students may end up with 1,000 innovations.
There was one question is somebody asking me, you could have worked in government. I'll tell you, I don't have to land up in Palakkad railway station in the heavy rain at 12 o'clock and then walk in the whole rain and catch an auto rickshaw if I would have been in government service in the same position. I know police jeep will come and wait for me. The SP of police from Palakkad will be standing saluting me. You understood? I don't have to travel in second class. The reservation would have been confirmed by police fellows.
Sir,
You understood what I'm saying? I take all this pain traveling all these places just because I love something.
Sir, is it because
Love because I want to create people who will reach in such positions and who are my students later in life.
Sir, is this because of the economic development of India?
That's what I'm saying. When the whole India have got a lot of people who are at highest positions, I am sure there will be a lot of people. I just told you, Kerala will have a lot of IAS from Bihar. My aim is to have it from Kerala. That's the selfishness which I have. And in whole Kerala, my aim is not Palakkad, I will tell you. I love to have 100 students in Kannur. Because that's the place where I am from. I am more thrilled to have a bigger program in Kannur. Definitely that will be there. So my selfishness is to see that my children will develop. That's what it is. That's some selfishness is there. Yeah.
Sir, you have taught many students. Who do you think is the best student?
Best student of mine, no second thought, Anusha from Hyderabad. Yeah.
Why do you think she is the best?
She was my student so many years, 7 years back approximately. 7 years back. She was a student, a BTech computer science student, 3rd year, when I went to inaugurate a computer science association program in the college, in one of the engineering colleges. From that day onwards, she is my student. That time I never had IAS, aspirant preparation programs or Shiksha or nothing. But then every holiday, she will come and sit at my house. Don't ask what for. Maybe for cleaning the house, cooking for me, anything she will do, whatever I ask for. But then she learned a lot. The time she passed BTech's 4th year, 18 companies she got job. You name any company in the country which is in software industry. She just goes for interview. Definitely she will get selected. That's the knowledge which she has. And after BTech to study MTech, you have to write an exam called GATE. By the time she was with me, I asked her to write IAS. So aspiration, inspiration is only IAS, nothing else. But then I asked her, you must register for GATE examination. After BTech, to get MTech, you must write an exam that's called the GATE. Then she asked me, she calls me Chacha. Chachu. Chachu, why should I write GATE? Because I am not going to do MTech. I said, I am asking you, just register. So she registered. Then I said, forget about it. Don't write. Just before the examination, I asked her, print out the hall ticket, go and write exam. So without any preparation, she went and wrote the GATE exam. She scored very good. You understood? So what do I want my children? Without the preparation also, if you write examination. I asked her to write JNU MA Political Science entrance examination also. I asked her to write IRMA MBA examination. Every exam she writes, she will become first. Now I am in Kannur. She came twice this year to stay with me 5 days each. My website, drtps-shiksha.in, developed by her, not me. Today I am in Palakkad. I have got 3 chats, SMS comes, what's happening. So if I don't send her this picture that I am here, she will get upset. That's my relationship with my student. Every day, the Satyagraha I explained today was her contribution. She asked me a question. So the question is my talk today. You understood? So what do I teach my children? You can put her here, you ask countries and capitals. The whole countries and capitals she will tell. Non-stop she can give you information. You understood? That's how we teach. And every day from Mysore she was under Infosys. She is in Infosys now. Best tennis player. Horse riding. Swimming. You ask anything, she doesn't know. Okay? Music. Yes. She is learning instrumental music. She is editor of a magazine in the Infosys. Programming, any project is given. Tomorrow is the presentation. The boss will tell today, 15 minutes, done. Job is done. Got it? That's the fastest which we create in children. She has spent more than 600 hours with me so far. Sitting, learning, chatting, more than that. I'm saying physically being with me. So she is my best student. No second thought of. And once she arranged a program in Hyderabad, she said, Chachu, you should not talk to 100 children like this. You should talk to thousands of children. I said, who will arrange? 2002, March 20th is a remarkable day for me. Big auditorium where 1,500 children are packed. All BTech students, 100 rupees each. 1,200 registration, rest of free. So 1,20,000 rupees. 20,000 rupees was the rent for the hall. For half day lecture, she paid me 1 lakh rupees. So maximum money is not that, I got more than that. But from India, that is the maximum money which I got. We go abroad, we get more than that for half day also. 2 hours, I must have got more than that. But in India, she is the best paid program, right? And the program name was Creativity to the Power of Infinite. The program name was Creativity to the Power of Infinite. How can you be highly creative was the program, right? So she is one of the best. Good. Now having said this, having mentioned the countries and capitals, I want 10 children who can tell 20 countries and capitals here. Is there anyone here who knows 20 countries and capitals? This is for a game. Come, one boy. Great. Anybody else? No? So I will start bargaining. 15 countries and capitals. No? 10 countries and capitals. Even closer to 10 if you don't just stand up fast, otherwise you will miss chance. If you know, jump and come here, that's it. No second thoughts. 10 countries and capitals. Yeah, one. Come here. Run and come. 5 countries and capitals. Run, come. Very bad, yeah. 5 countries and capitals, and they are the people who are aspirants for IAS. I have only 3 plus 3, 6. I want 4 more students. 4 countries and capitals. 3 countries and capitals. Enough. Come here. Enough. Come here. You also stand in a circle very fast. I am going to throw 5 of them out from here. Who are not good. Make a circle and stand first. Immediate, equal distance. If you are standing this much distance, here also distance has to be same. Yeah. Tell one country and capital.
Austria, Vienna.
Austria?
Vienna.
Louder.
Vienna. Austria, Vienna.
Sure?
Yes.
Now you should tell Austria, Vienna and one more country and capital. Good.
Austria, Vienna, Iraq, Baghdad. Austria, Vienna, Iraq.
Austria, Vienna. Tell us.
Austria, Vienna, Baghdad, Iraq, Baghdad, Russia.
Don't have doubts. Whatever you know, open your mouth and then say oh like this. Louder.
Austria, Vienna, Israel, Baghdad.
Eh? Which country? Israel, Baghdad. What is that? I said few people will throw out, right? You want to go first or after some time? After some time. So tell once, fast. Listen, I don't want just you to listen the country and capital. The way you speak also has to be learned. Speak.
Austria, Vienna.
Good.
Austria, Vienna, Iraq, Baghdad.
Very good.
Austria, Vienna, Iraq, Baghdad, Russia, Moscow.
Why the same punch is not there when the third country comes? Again, repeat.
Austria, Vienna, Iraq, Baghdad, Russia, Moscow.
Yeah, good.
Austria, Vienna, Iran, Baghdad, Russia, Moscow, India, New Delhi. Austria, Vienna, Iraq, Baghdad, Russia, Moscow, India, New Delhi, China, Beijing. Austria, Vienna, Iraq, Baghdad, Russia, Moscow, India, New Delhi, China, Beijing, Pakistan, Islamabad. Austria, Vienna, Iraq, Baghdad,
Eh?
Baghdad, Russia, Moscow, India, New Delhi, China, Beijing.
Order was wrong, right?
China, Beijing, Pakistan, Islamabad, Thailand, Bangkok. Vienna,
Eh? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 people repeated. Even after 7 repetition, you are not able to capture it. Need a nice surgery to set your brain perfectly. And if you have fear standing here, that should go. Okay, we will take care of it later. But here I want to demonstrate something else.
Austria, Vienna, Iraq, Baghdad, Russia, Moscow, India, New Delhi, China, Beijing.
China?
Beijing.
Yes? China? Beijing.
Beijing. Pakistan.
Pakistan, India. Pakistan, Palakkad.
Pakistan, Kabul.
Go. Islamabad.
Austria, Vienna, Iraq, Baghdad, Russia, Moscow, India, New Delhi, China, Beijing, Pakistan, Islamabad, Thailand, Bangkok, England, United Kingdom, London.
Austria, Vienna, Iraq, Baghdad, Russia, Moscow, India, New Delhi, Pakistan, Islamabad, China, Beijing, Pakistan, Islamabad, Thailand, Bangkok, United Kingdom, London.
You have to add what? This is called the presence of mind.
Sri Lanka, Colombo.
Sri Lanka? Go wrong. No, it's wrong. Wrong. When I am saying wrong, he is saying yes. Sri Jayavardhanapura. Repeat, beautiful. Stand there. Repeat. All the from here again.
Austria, Vienna, Iraq, Baghdad, Russia, Moscow, India, New Delhi, China, Beijing.
Don't just see this. Once this is finished, I am going to catch any one of you. And if you cannot repeat, out. Last chance to listen.
Pakistan, Islamabad, Thailand, Bangkok, United Kingdom, London, and Sri Lanka, Sri Jayavardhanapura.
Austria, Vienna, Iraq, Baghdad, Russia, Moscow, India, New Delhi, China, Beijing, Pakistan, Islamabad, Thailand, Bangkok, United Kingdom, London, Sri Lanka, Sri
Jayavardhanapura. Puram, if you want Malayalam. Add one more. Next round. Nepal. UAE.
America,
Washington DC. Good.
Austria, Vienna, Iraq, Baghdad. Austria, Vienna, Iraq, Baghdad. Russia, Moscow, India, New Delhi, China, Beijing, Pakistan, Islamabad, Thailand, Bangkok, United Kingdom, London, Sri Lanka, Sri Jayavardhanapura. America, Washington DC, Libya, Tripoli.
Yeah. She started with which country? Yeah. Austria.
Austria, Vienna, Iraq, Baghdad, Russia, Moscow, India, New Delhi, China, Beijing, Pakistan, Islamabad, Thailand,
Bangkok.
Bangkok, UN, London,
UN, UK.
UK, London, Sri Lanka, Jayawardhanapura,
Sri Jayawardhanapura.
America, Washington DC,
Good. Libya to the point. No other country. So now, tell me next. What is it you want to ask? Nepal, Kathmandu.
Nepal, Kathmandu.
Now tell me, how many countries and capitals you know now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. When you came here, how many you? When did I ask you then how many came? 1 or 2. So now all of you learned at least 3 countries? Now if I ask how many of you know 10 countries and capitals? Countries and capitals.
India, New Delhi, China, Beijing, Pakistan, Islamabad, Thailand, Bangkok, Nepal, Kathmandu, Sri Lanka, Sri Jayawardhanapura.
Anybody?
India, New Delhi, Pakistan, Islamabad, Nepal, Kathmandu, UK, London, America, Washington DC.
Good. Anybody else? Yeah.
Austria, Vienna, Iraq, Baghdad, Sri Lanka, UK,
Sri Lanka, UK. Sri Lanka, Sri Jayawardhanapura. Yeah. Anybody else?
India, New Delhi, Iraq, Moscow,
India, New Delhi, China, Beijing, Russia, Moscow, America, Washington DC, Nepal, Kathmandu, Austria, Vienna.
That means you can learn. Alone learning is very difficult. When you have games like this, now I am sure tomorrow if this class is continuing and I am continuing the same game, how many of you will come prepared? With how many countries? 30 countries only? 50 countries only? In Kannur, it just happened, students came with 100 countries. Assume in this place, if he comes with the 50, you come with the 50, if I can run this game, each one of you will going after a few minutes, how many countries all of you will learn? Hundreds, right? So this is the technique of learning. Got it? Now we want to show simpler mechanisms. Now you are already here. Go. Run. Who are the people who just I met, who can tell 15 countries and capitals now? I don't want to say. I want new faces. No. 10 countries and capitals. Who want to try? Yeah, those people who have not come here. Come fast. Come here. Don't refer. Just having some confidence is enough. I am not going to do the same thing. I am going to do something else. But to test you, I may do this. That's a different matter. Two, only two. Age, countries and capitals. Baran, welcome. Welcome. Fast. Yeah, enough. Stand round, make it round fast. Two more can come. Only one. Good. Now tell me fruits or vegetables next.
Apple. Apple. Orange.
Use the mic, don't look at me. Louder voice, otherwise know you. Louder.
Apple. Orange.
Apple, orange, cherry.
Just listen, don't ask again.
Apple, orange, cherry, grapes.
Apple, orange, cherry, grapes, mango. Apple, orange, cherry, grapes, mango, pomegranate. Apple, orange, cherries, grapes, mango, pomegranate. Banana. Apple, orange, grapes, cherry, grapes, mango, pomegranate.
Fruits or vegetables, I said.
Corn.
Yeah.
Apple.
Yeah. Yeah. Give hints. Tell
Banana.
louder. Banana. Yeah.
Banana. Corn. Apple, orange, cherry, grapes, mango, pomegranate, banana, corn,
Why when that comes to yours, why can't you be louder? Same sound.
ladies finger.
Yeah, do that. Look.
Apple, orange, cherry, grapes, banana, pomegranate, mango, corn. Ladies finger. Corn.
Banana. Now I will tell you, the actual game is not this. Now you want to know what do I want to do? Depends on if you are good. Now you tell.
Apple, orange,
No, she was not with apple. The person standing here, what did she say? You must tell.
grapes, banana, cherry, apple, mango, pomegranate, ladies finger.
But before that, she said one. Yeah, start.
Grapes, orange,
Don't appear. Clockwise.
grapes, banana, cherry, apple,
You said two, so you can repeat the only one? No.
apple, corn,
That's what I said, you said two, so repeat it there.
mango,
P.
jackfruit,
No, PP.
pomegranate, ladies finger,
Before that she went.
orange,
Yeah, now you know the game. If you do this in your spare time, you will get a lot of spare time. You are wasting time or not? Now you know how to create games which will make your brain sharper. Your memory will become sharp. You are not good, but you can be good. Because nobody played like this in your life, right? You are wasting most of your time. Now when you get 3 members, you have little bit time. When you travel in the bus, morning what do? Wasting time. Now what are you going to do now onwards? Start playing such games, right? Go to your bus, by hearting 20 countries and capitals. All your friends, they will also come prepared, right?
Play speed called speed memory test.
But using what is the question? Useful countries and capitals, if you have done it, would have been good. You have different colors.
Animals.
Animals, fruits. But why you are not able to do this? Do you change this? Yeah, that makes your memory sharper. Saying the same thing will be like a music. But once you change the places, you need very good sharp memory, right? Do such things. So the class is going to be such. Run. Good. Well done. Run. Last person who is getting sitting will get beaten up. Last person who is going to sit will get beaten up. Then only you will become faster in movement, right? I can't know you. You are very much interested in getting somebody buildings. Yeah. So your brain can become better by such exercises. Now you will have one small exercise. Write the word teacher. T-E-A-C-H-E-R. Teacher. T-E-A-C-H-E-R. How many alphabets are there? 7. You can use these 7 alphabets, any 6 of them. If you use all the 7, you got one word teacher. Use it in different order, will you get another meaningful word is one question. Use any 6 of them, will you get any meaningful words. How many such meaningful words you can create using 6 alphabets? 5 alphabets, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Just create as many words as you can. You have just 2 minutes time. Six, fast. 5, 4, 3, 2. I'm sure if I give you 2-3 days, you will do any words. I don't want that. I want you to do very fast. Because all competitive exams are doing things faster. 2, 1, 0. Stop. Right. Don't write. Now what you can do is, you can just see people who are beside you and copy from them. Just see what the people have written beside you. If they have written something different, just copy it fast. Back, side, front, left, everywhere you can copy. Get from as many people as you can, fast. This also time is very short. 6, 5, 4. Copy as fast as you can. 4, 2, 1, 0. Stop. Now number all that what you have written. Just count how many are there. Okay, don't write now. Just look at me. How many of you got 20 more than 20? Nobody. How many of you got more than 15? You come here. You come further. Here. You come, buddy. Yeah, you come here. Oh, please, not the last. That girl, yeah, come here. That boy. Not this. Back side, yeah, come. You want come fast. You sit there. Because you are neighbors. You must have had the same number. That's why one of you should come. That's why one from different places. Sit down. You want to come better? You already came for earlier for some session, right? You came to stage once. Yeah, that's enough. I remember your earrings are very good. Peacock. Now you have to read. All of you can write down as he reads. If you have already written, just tick it. Right? You should also tick when he reads. Don't repeat the same thing. I want you one. Right. If there is something extra which you have which he has not written, that you can read. Do it. Yeah. Read.
T.
Just don't say T. T-E-A-T. So that they can write.
T. T-E-A. Teach. T-E-A-C-H. A-T-E.
Slowly. You are a teacher now. And you are dictating in the class. How do you do that?
Eat. E-A-T.
Use the mic. Say eat. E-A-T. Like this.
Eat. E-A-T. Cheer. C-H-E-A-R. Chat. C-H-A-T.
C-H-E-A-R. Cheer.
C-H.
Cheer. C-H-E-E-R. Cheer.
Chat. C-H-A-T.
Beta, you can become a bad doctor with a bad handwriting.
Reach. R-E-A-C-H. A-C-H-E. Right.
Egg.
A-C-H-E. Right. R-A-T.
Your sound is not correct. Yeah.
Cheat. C-H-E-A-T.
The sound is not good. That's all.
Cheat. C-H-E-A-T. Car. C-A-R. Cat. C-A-T. Her. H-E-R. Here. H-E-R-E. Hair. H-A-R-E.
Again, here is the H-A-R.
Here. H-E-A-R.
Why are you skipping it? You are scared when they mistake?
Hat. H-A-T.
What is the 17th one? What is it? Road from? But while writing, now this is one defect which you have. He just wrote. Now he knows that's wrong. He says, I wrote from him. Why did you write if it is wrong? So your presence of mind, if it is wrong, tell him that is wrong and correct it. Don't copy it. And then say he was wrong. Don't do that, okay? Good boy. Give him a big clap. Good. Any new which is not read by you?
R-A-R-C. Rain. R-A-T-E. He. H-E-A-T.
3 more. So 17 plus 3, 20. Yeah. Did you write all that? Did you write this also?
Ear. E-A-R.
Use the mic better again.
Tree, T-R-E-E. Tear, T-E-A-R.
Good.
Reach, R-E-A-C-H. Rate, R-A-T-E. Ear, E-A-R.
Race, R-A-C-E, race. R-A-C-E, race. R-A-C-E, race. R-A-C-E, race.
Only one. Do the same thing. Do the same thing. Right. You never went to stage. You never used the mic. Give her a big clap. No way. You never went to stage, never used the mic first day. Look at the good morning.
Good morning.
Not like this.
Good morning.
Look at it. Can you not good morning?
Good morning. Good morning.
Nation.
Good morning.
You can ask any question to her. You can ask her a question to her. She will answer. With the mic.
What is your name?
This question you asked. You will ask a difficult question.
Because
Eh? That's great. I thought you will tell something else. Coming here, if you tell something else, I will have eaten it. That's your name. Good. You want to be a IAS with a lot of shivering or full of courage? IAS or IPS? IAS. Why?
I like the job.
After seeing Mammootty's movie, which is the movie? You don't see movies. Which is the last English movie you saw? From now onwards, every week, minimum one English movie. You understood? That's a prescription for becoming IAS. Not just see them. After that, write a review. Even if I don't see you, if this program doesn't continue here, if I am not coming here, I am not coming here, anything can happen, right? But still do this. And send me the review of the movie, so that I don't have to see that movie. Huh? You understand? That's how we learn about movies. Right? Read newspaper every day. Create 5 notebooks. How many? 5 notebooks. And in 5 notebooks, what are you going to write? So, you have to create a notebook in which, keep the book here. Open the international page. Do you know there is an international page in the newspaper? Yeah. Don't worry. Now when you open the paper, you will see here city and region. Next page you will see here region. Next state. After that, don't. All that is skip. You are not interested in all that. You want to be international first, okay? Then come to national. Then state. After that, southern region. Now when I ask you what is southern region, you will know which are the places which came here. Hubli. That's it. Karnataka. Okay. Nagapattinam. Where is that? So like this you must know the places in southern region, right? Yeah. That's general news. That will be from Kyoto, right? Then New Delhi, general. You will see international, national, everything there. Here, national. Then that's a open page. You will have sometimes people who can contribute, or the editor's contribution will be there. There is a so open that international page. And then you will have business, you will have sports, entertainment, everything. Hold it. Read. Now how do you know which is the main news here? The bold lecture will tell you that's the main news. Sometime you will see presence of mind. Okay? You will see the bold news like this. Sometime you will see the bold news here, and this news will come here. With the lesser bold also it will come on the topmost. Right top corner. Anything which comes in the right top corner is important. So here there are a lot of news which comes. Small newses. All of them are important. Right? And this is important because it is bold. Assume a big bold one comes here. That is because they want to keep 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 column news. The 6 column news also is important. This is only 1, 2, 3, 4 column. So number of columns also determines. Font will determine. Where is it placed also will determine. Understood? Now you take one of your choice. Whether it is main or doesn't matter. Best is the main. Take the main.
Islamabad.
Heading first.
Sharif turns protest a tiny stock.
What is that? Sharif?
Turns.
Is it Sharif or Sharif? Okay.
Sharif turns protest.
Okay. Now the question is, what is Sharif? Who is he? Now you should have a lot of questions like this. Okay. So you have a notebook where you will write Sharif. And his full name you will get in the news. Find out what is he. That explanation also will come. That also you write down. Then
Turns protest a tiny stock.
terms, T-E-R-M-S. Terms. If no meaning sometimes you may not know the meaning. Another book. English vocabulary. Write down terms. Go to dictionary. You don't have to read full page. Not even full news. Read only 5 sentences, but those 5 sentences you understand 100%. You want to become IAS, huh? Yes or no?
Yes.
This is how you should read. Right? Terms, protests.
Protest a tiny storm.
A tiny storm is in quotes. So that becomes a phrase. Write in the vocab. A tiny storm. Don't write tiny separate, storm separate. A tiny storm. Use this phrase. A tiny means small. Storm. But that is not a tiny storm. It is in quotes. It is not natural tiny storm. A small noise which is created by people are also called a tiny storm. When you read that you will understand. So you will know the inner meaning of such quotations. That knowledge is English knowledge. Now read.
Imran Khan visits.
No. Don't read like this. Imran Khan.
Imran Khan rejects offer on panel report. Insists PM.
Panel report. Next question. Which panel? Report on which activity? How many questions you can get from one heading panel? And who is Imran Khan? Who is he?
Pakistan's Prime Minister Nawaz Sharif on Saturday dismissed a political racist
The
crisis.
news comes from heading. Where the news comes from?
Islamabad.
Islamabad. Got it? And it says Pakistan. What you should do is, do you have Manorama yearbook with you at home? Do you want a character who answers who? Okay. Buy a Manorama yearbook. Fine? Don't worry, I don't have agency. Look at Islamabad in the Manorama yearbook. So you have another book called Geography book. One personalities, one vocabulary, another book, Geography. Take your atlas, find out where is Islamabad. Okay? Latitude, longitude. Where is Pakistan? Which place is Islamabad? Islamabad is a beautiful city. Nice straight road, vertical like this. Okay? Go to Google, look at Islamabad. Which is the nearest airport? Rawalpindi. You should know all the details about Islamabad. And then write geography knowledge what you gain from this small paper. You read only the heading. You have to create 3 notebooks. Fill it up. Yeah, next read.
Islamabad. Pakistan's Prime Minister Nawaz Sharif on Saturday.
One question. When did Nawaz Sharif become Prime Minister of Pakistan? Next question. General knowledge. So another book. General knowledge. Pakistan's Prime Minister Nawaz Sharif. Earlier, who was he? When did he become? Who was the earlier Prime Minister? Who was the first Prime Minister? And how many such Prime Ministers Pakistan had? How many of them got killed? How many of them are alive? So many questions you will get, right? All this knowledge is your knowledge book. Don't say it is in the book. It has to be in your book. Not in your book. It has to be in your brain. If there are 50 such children here who collect 5 notebooks and then create your own notebook, and then if you pass your test conducted here, you will get an entry for IAS class here. So your IAS class starts from now. Homework is given already. Those who complete homework only will come and attend the programs. Got it? Yeah.
Pakistan's Prime Minister Nawaz Sharif on Saturday dismissed a political crisis triggered.
Crisis. If you don't know, just write down. If you know, also confirm in the dictionary. What you know is 100% perfect or not. Because I gave an example, Satyagraha. You may know, think that I know it. That's not enough. Okay.
Crisis triggered by protests aimed at
Triggered. Meaning. What's triggering? Starting. Triggering. Starting. In the firing, using a gun, what do? That's called a trigger. When you see this, you will see such explanation. Then you will have to go to dictionary and find out trigger means the firing, and there is a guard there. It's called a trigger guard. You will expand your knowledge like this. Okay? Yeah, next.
triggered by protests aimed at unseating his government as a tiny storm that would be ended soon. Thousands of supporters of opposition leader Imran Khan.
Yeah. So who is Imran Khan? Imran Khan? First what she was telling us, Imran Khan. Now you know, right? That's how you should get knowledge. If you read without reading, when you have no questions, even if you read it, you will not get this answer. Even if you read it, not register to you. So even if your answer is wrong, doesn't matter. Ask this question, who is Imran Khan? With that question when you read, now you will realize, and I'm sure you will never forget. And now the question is, which party leader is Sharif? Which party leader is Imran Khan? When you look at that, you will know in Maratha yearbook how many parties are there in Pakistan. Another knowledge. You can imagine now. Got it? Now its all history will be given about Pakistan in the book. Create another book, history, in which Pakistan one page. You don't have to fill the whole knowledge now. but keep it. That's a pending knowledge which I have to collect. Later I will collect. But page has to be opened now. Now if you do this in next 1 month, will you not feel confident saying, I know anything? Will you feel or not? Will you be able to up your shoulder and say to your friends, ask me questions, I will answer? Yes? That's how your knowledge should be able. This is the technique which we use, and I am sure your brain is good and your courage is good. Are you shivering now? Hold the mic and say,
No, sir.
no, that's it. She was really shivering when I asked her to speak. Okay? So, all the programs which we do here, just calling you for place names and all this is to check how good you are, how much courage you have, how are you going to gain knowledge. Now use this page, international news, write one notebook, reading news. One, geography, vocabulary, everything is there. But news should come in one page. Right? In that, write a brief, 3 sentences. Go to my website, go to my Facebook. How many of you are on Facebook? You are not? Who says don't get into Facebook? Go to Facebook, make an account, only to me. Only one friend in your account. Okay? drtps.shiksha. There are many profiles, don't ask any friendship anywhere. Only one, drtps.shiksha. S-H-A-K-S-H-A. Dr. TPS, DR for Dr. TPS, temperature per second. Dot Shiksha. Then type in for EFIL, E-F-I-L. Very difficult to remember. L-I-F-E, reverse is EFIL. I said I love life, so everything is with the life. L-I-F-E, reverse is EFIL. EFIL is Ekalvya for future India leadership. Why Ekalvya? On internet. Physically not seen sometimes. There are a lot of students who are not physically seen but on internet they learn. So your task is every day read a newspaper and main one heading. Don't copy this. Use Hindu newspaper. Do you get Hindu newspaper now? Okay, you could read it on internet also. But preferably Hindu newspaper at home. Read it carefully. Then post in your own words. Don't repeat the same heading. 60 days if you do it, I will take it as my student. That's assignment. Understood? And you will see when you go there from Satna in Madhya Pradesh, one Adira is putting news every day because the assignment is already given to her. There are so many people who will write such heading. So you will learn how to. There are students who don't have internet. They will also send. There are students from Malapura who send a message saying this is today's main news. So when I have got a lot of children like this, do I have to read newspaper? So who is reading newspaper for me? My students, right? What's your name?
Ranjana.
Eh?
Ranjana.
What is Ranjana means?
I don't know, sir.
Happiness. If Mano Ranjana Engil, if Manas likes it, there was one husband who used to scold his wife every day because the chutney which you make is not at all good. Go and see how your neighbor makes chutney. It is very good. As if he goes there every day and eats. And the wife really got fed up with this dirty husband. You know what she did? One day, the idli was made and she got chutney from the neighbor's house. And said, this is the chutney which made by neighbor, eat this. And he ate nicely and said, very good, every day you must make chutney like this. And after that, the wife chanted one sloka. The sloka is Mano Ranjana Engil Chano Buddhi Sambandhi. What was given was not chutney. It was cowdung from the. Understood? So if your manas is too good, even cowdung will become nice chutney for you, right? And then the husband said, every day you should make like this, right? Then the wife said, I will ask the cow. It's very intelligent, right? So Ranjana, when you learn sloka, the advantage is some word will come. The meaning will be understood, right? So Ranjana means that feeling which the husband had while eating chutney is Ranjana. Okay, the bright, nice mind is called Ranjana. Good. So Ranjana, this is how you remember. Read newspaper, no shivering. Now you can go to any stage, go back to your school, go to your class, take a newspaper and say this is how you should read newspaper. Whatever you learn here, go and teach somebody else. Your shivering will go. Right? Good. Give us a big clap.
There are some more words. There are E-H-E, A-C, A-B-C,
Chapal.
Hurt, H-E-A-R-T, R-T.
കണ്ട ഏതോ വെച്ചത് കിടന്നവർക്ക് എടുത്ത് ചാടി എടുത്തിട്ട് വന്നു
No.
ഇല്ല മുടി ചീകിട്ട് വന്നവരെന്ന് തോന്നുന്നു ഇതിനെ കണ്ടാൽ പിന്നെയും ചീക്കാം ചീക്കി ഒതുക്കി കെട്ടിട്ട് വന്നു അതല്ലെങ്കിൽ പറയും നല്ല ഷാമ്പൂ കിട്ടും നല്ല സ്റ്റൈലിഷ് ആയിട്ട് മുടിയാണ് ആ രണ്ട് തരത്തിൽ പെടും
A-T-E.
How many words you can make from this teacher? How do you think? How many you can make? 28? I did this exercise in my home when my children from Kannur and Subodh's daughter and family came. 52 words. Okay? Now this word teacher, you just add S and make it teachers. You can make hundreds. Wonderful girl, come here. With the teacher. Then why are you sitting like this? Yeah. No problem. New ones only you will. Which they are not told.
Chairman.
And teacher there is N. In teacher there is N. You should use only those 7 alphabets which are there in teacher. Now I know there must have been mistakes. So what you should do is do such exercise. One, your thinking will become better. Second one, your creativity will become better. Most importantly, your vocabulary will become better. Right? And then you must share it with your friends. Alone if you do, you will get less number of words. 10 people, 3 people minimum, 5 is the best group. 5 members if you have who are good learners around you, you will do much better. I was supposed to stop it. You know what's the time now? 1:45. What is the general lunch break here? You all forgot your lunch, right? Yes, your Madhya Pradesh will not work when your Uttar Pradesh works. You understood? This is how the class goes, and few of my classes goes 48 hours non-stop. 24 hours non-stop. So next time when I come to Palakkad, if I come here at 11:30 night, the class will start at 12 o'clock. Right? And if I am going next day 7 o'clock, your class will end only 7 o'clock. If I start at midnight, go full 24 hours, 36 hours. Are you ready?
Yes.
Don't worry, it will not be just class like this. We will have drama here, dance here. Right? We'll teach all that. And that's all for learning. It's a great fun. So have a quick lunch. You don't require more than 17 minutes for lunch. So sharp 2 o'clock. One contract. whoever comes first will sit in the first row. Nobody will go and sit in the last row. First row, once it is complete, then second row. Vacant chairs will be at the end. And who are the people who will come here and participate are the people who will sit in the front order. So you have to come fast and then sit in the front row. Now I know how you will eat. Right? Run!